How to import a Python class that is in a directory above? I want to inherit from a class in a file that lies in a directory above the current one. Is it possible to relatively import that file?
From sub to import mod. For the Python docs, when inside a package hierarchy, use two dots, as the import statement doc says. When specifying what module to import, you do not have to specify the absolute name of the module. When a module or package is contained within another package, it is possible to make a relative import within the same top package without having to mention the package name. By using leading dots in the specified module or package after from, you can specify how high to traverse up the current package hierarchy without specifying exact names. One leading dot means the current package where the module making the import exists. Two dots means up one package level. Three dots is up two levels, etc. So if you execute from import mod pkg.mod, if you execute from sub to import mod from within pkg.sub1, you will import pkg.sub2.mod. The specification for relative imports is contained within PEP 328. PEP 328 deals with absolute/relative imports.
@Gimmel's answer is correct if you can guarantee the package hierarchy he mentions. If you can't, if your real need is as you expressed it, exclusively tied to directories and without any necessary relationship to packaging, then you need to work on _file_ to find out the parent directory. A couple of os.path.dir calls will do, then, if that directory is not already on sys.path, prepend temporarily insert dir at the very start of sys.path, _import_, remove dir again. Messy work indeed, but, when you must, and Python strives to never stop the programmer from doing what must be done, just like the ISO C standard says in the spirit of C section in its preface. Here is an example that may work for you.
Import module from a directory which is exactly one level above the current directory.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.